So I absolutely love this Fireball Tool Sidekick Vise, and I've found that there's one really convenient use case inside how I work. Check this out. So here's the Fireball Tool Vise. The real convenient thing is the fact that it is set completely flush on this top face to the table. So you can use this vise and it's not in your way to open and close this with anything on the table. It just slides over the top. Now, the other convenient thing is that this has a pretty wide grit in between the jaws. So I'm gonna pull this all the way out here and I'll grab a tape measure and show you what that is. Okay, so this is your full width and we're sitting at 6 1/4, which is pretty substantial. Now my absolute favorite use case for this is married up with a mag drill of sorts. Now because this is flat or flush with this top face, you can actually slide this mag drill around very conveniently. And say you have like a flat bar or a piece of square like this that you need to put a pretty large hole in one end or the other. You can go ahead and lock this in. Now typically with a square, I would let it be offset and I would just raise my mag drill high enough to where I could drill down on that. But say we have a flat bar, because that really exhibits what the real benefit to this Sidekick Vise is. I'm gonna clamp it down flush to where it's underneath or downset from the top face of this. Gonna make sure it is locked down. See how that slides right over the top? I absolutely love that. See how this just can slide over your workpiece? So you can position exactly where you want this mag drill to go. And it's so convenient. So once you get the right place with your mag drill, you just flick her on and she's held down. She's tight. So now that we have this completely cinched down, let's go ahead and I want to show you just how well that it holds this piece while I'm doing a drilling operation or annular cutting operation really. Now with this mag drill, I would typically put a reservoir on with some cutting oil inside of that if I'm cutting a large quantity of holes. But since I'm only drilling one, I've found that this Anchorlube works quite well. So I'm gonna use this and we're gonna drill this one hole, showing what the Sidekick Vise can do. There you go. Now I can unclamp my mag drill, wipe off my workpiece, and now I can either move my mag drill and cut multiple holes or do whatever else I need to in situ here on this piece. It's held down. Super convenient. Check that out. Now I did figure out that this vise really only goes on one specific corner for this Fireball Tool table or the Dragon Wagon table. Now I'm not getting paid for this video. I'm not getting any kickback for reviewing this Sidekick Vise. Fireball Tool sent me over this table and this vise just for my honest opinion of how it all works. They didn't tell me to say anything. They didn't tell me to do anything. They were just like, here, you use it in your videos and you're good to go. Now, one thing that I absolutely hate for this Sidekick Vise is the fact that this handle sticks out here. It does retract in like this or fold in to where it's out of the way. When it's in the stored position, it's fine. It works great, but I have found that I hit my leg on this little handle that sticks out so many times. And this plastic handle is a little bit concerning to me. There's a little bit of slop there, probably from hitting it too many times. But you just always have to remember to put this in. Otherwise, I am guessing one of these days when I forget, I'm probably gonna hit this pretty hard with my thigh or something that I'm carrying and it's probably gonna break off. So maybe moving to a metal handle would be advisable, but it hasn't broken yet, so maybe not. I don't know. That's really the only downside to this vise that I found thus far, is this handle just has to be folded in, which I guess is more of a user thing than a design thing. But otherwise, this vise is really cool. Another really cool use case is you have these dowel pins that you can put inside of these holes here, and they are very tightly toleranced, so they are snug for sure. Actually, probably gonna have to clean my holes out. But once you get them in there, now with the cleaning kit for this table, you do have this brush that's convenient for these 3/4 inch holes. All right, so now that we got those, so let's take something that's a little bit bigger than our 2-inch square here that we may want to hold down. So say you had a really big piece of steel that couldn't fit inside that 6.5 inch jaw length. So using these 2 fence blocks inside our fireball tool table, you can take whatever plate or item you want to clamp down, place it on the table however far back, so you could theoretically clamp something that's 50 inches long all the way across the table. And then using these dowel pins here, you just tighten her down, and this is locked down, so I can grind or work on this to any degree, and it's like an infinitely sized jaw. It's really cool. I really like this feature as well. Like I was saying earlier, I actually had a lot of trouble with the original install. First off, there's 2 versions of this, one that fits a specific sizing on the sidewall. Okay, so this is a standard work table, 54 inch from Fireball Tool. And I just tried to put the Sidekick Vise on. And as you can see, in order to get the guide rod and the Acme thread, drive thread, to fit through those holes, which they do on the lower holes, so that works out there. You can see that that top shoulder bolt that goes through the main mounting bolts there is about a 1/2 inch too tall. There is no way that bolt's gonna get into that top row. So I had to get a second Sidekick vise that fits this hole spacing. The other thing is, during install of this Sidekick vise, there are stiffeners on each corner of the table. And so they are oriented in a specific direction. So you can really only use one side of each corner. Depending on your layout in your shop or how you have your table, you can kind of spin the table to get the vise where you want it to be. So it's not really a problem. It's a cool vise. Go ahead and comment. Let me know what you think of it. I've been super happy with this vise so far. Lots of fun use cases like the mag drill. Finding that one out is pretty cool. Now, if you found any value to this video, go ahead and hit that like button and hit subscribe if you want to see more videos like this one. Done.